Welcome to the project Greenhouse Monitoring and Control using Arduino UNO. So in this project we are using Arduino UNO board. So to this Arduino UNO board we are using three sensors. One sensor is the LDR sensor which is connected to A0 pin of Arduino board, and next is the humidity temperature sensor DH11 sensor which is again connected to A1 pin of Arduino board, and next the soil moisture sensor. This is the soil moisture sensor which is again interfaced to D10 pin of Arduino UNO board. And the output devices are, one is the LCD display module which is used for displaying the monitored and controlled parameters on the LCD module. This is connected to D2 to D7 pin of Arduino board. And next there are three relay boards, 1, 2 and 3. One relay board is connected to the 11th pin, second relay board 12th pin, third relay board 13th pin. So the first relay which is connected to the 11th pin is again interfaced to the which is interfaced again to the bulb. So one is interfaced to the bulb. So whenever the LDR sensor detects the darkness, automatically we switch on the light in the greenhouse using relay switch. The second relay device is again connected to the motor. This is the water motor. So whenever the soil moisture sensor detects the presence of water in the soil, automatically the water motor gets turned off. Next, the third relay which is connected to the 13th pin, which is interfaced to the motor. This is the AC fan which is controlled whenever the temperature rises to the threshold limit. So once the temperature crosses beyond the threshold limit, using relay switch we switch on the AC fan. So for the entire circuit we are providing this regulated power supply circuit, so using which we are providing the entire 5 volts to the modules, input and output modules in the project. And this is the connector board. So you can see here, we'll check the output. So as soon as we switch on the circuit, the power supply is getting distributed to all the modules and the water motor gets switched on. You can see here, motor gets switched on. So first we'll check with the soil moisture. So once the soil moisture sensor detects the presence of water, the motor gets turned off using relay switch. You can see here, the particular relay got turned off. Next, we can see here LDR sensor. So once LDR sensor detects the presence of darkness, automatically you can see here the AC bulb gets turned on using relay switch. So we'll check with the heat. Now we'll go for the heat concept. So once we check the temperature. So now we'll check the heat. So you can see here, once the temperature and humidity is getting increased, so you can see here, fan get turned on. In this way, we can monitor the sensors in the greenhouse and accordingly control the devices. Thank you.